There's our Teflon tape. I think I have enough in this roll to do this. I've got some extra. I always carry extra with me, by the way, in case I ever run out. The trick here is to put this on in the right direction. You know, you got to think about it as this is tightening up. You want the last bit of this to wrap over so it's going the same direction as you're tightening the nut. You know what I mean? You just kind of have to hold it on there and kind of see. Okay, that's going the right direction. Do you see what I mean? I'm going that way. When I tighten up the nut, it's going the same direction as the Teflon tape. This Teflon tape is going the same direction as the nut. Okay, I want to be careful with this. I don't want to get any ridges in there if I can help it. I'm trying not to get it over that edge either. You know, because that's where that little the ferrule piece is going to go. Okay, so I just spin that a few times. Spin it around. A couple, 3 times or so. And I'm kind of stretching it as I go. Before I wrap, I kind of stretch it and wrap. Stretch it and wrap. Okay. And that's probably enough. Pull that. And see, that's the same way as I'm tightening it. I know I went the right direction. Had I gone the other way and I put the nut on, I'd be loosening the Teflon tape. Now, it doesn't even make sense to have the Teflon tape on there if you're not going to do it right. Okay? So now that's all ready to be put on, just like that.